everyone, Aja here from Pandamonium. We have left Lake Havasu. That was actually a couple days ago. Most of the tribe has already left Lake Havasu, and we are back on the road. We are now here in Quartzsite. We were just here for the night. We also did stop in Parker, and I do have a time lapse of us driving. So if you're wondering what my plans are, we're actually going to be headed to Phoenix today, and we're going to be staying there several days and then head to Tucson. My end game is to get back to Texas to visit my family for 2 weeks and hopefully go down to Corpus Christi and Padre Island area for 2 weeks to visit that area. So I'm excited. Oh, hey.
Hey, have your green juice for you.
That's so awesome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Celery, kale, spinach, and lemon.
Oh, it sounds yummy.
Power breakfast.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
That's cool that she just brought me this green juice. I actually bought a new juicer, and I'm going to start a green juice diet, but I haven't even unboxed it yet. So I'm really glad to have the green juice. I'm going to have to get me some of these bottles. That is cool. It's like a milk bottle with a cap. So, if you don't know and hadn't been following my channel that long, I used to juice all the time, and I was at a really good weight, and I was really happy with it. And then it's really hard to do on the road. So I'm going to try to do it a lot, but we'll see. This looks really yummy. Look how green that is. Isn't that beautiful? All right. Oh my god, that is so fresh and tasty. Ooh, got some green stuff on my nose. So normally I put apple in my juice, but this has no apple, but it still tastes really good. So good. That was so yummy. I always feel good right after drinking green juice. So I'm going to give you a little shot of who's in the tribe and coming with us on this caravan to Phoenix. We have Scott and Terry, Danny, Dana, Steve, and their 3 children. And Ross has also joined us. We have 2 visitors here with us, but they're not going to be going with us to Phoenix. They just stayed with us here in Quartzsite for the night. And the Moo-moo. Yes. So this is Pam and Paul's rig, but they're going to be going up to Sedona, I believe. This is Jackie and Jacob's rig. Her son's with her. So where are y'all headed to?
We are headed to California. We're gonna RV around California for 2 months.
Awesome.
Visit family.
That sounds fun.
It is. I'm excited. I haven't been to California in a long time, so to see it from an RV, it's gonna be great.
One of you, right?
Yes.
Cool. Yeah, y'all keep in touch.
My welcome blanket.
Your welcome blanket.
Not so dusty.
Are y'all about ready?
Yep. I just gotta do a few things. Get my little garbage can there.
Hello. Pam, why are you hiding? Are you scared of the camera? Where are y'all headed to?
We're staying here for a few days.
I know, but after this?
We're gonna make our way to...
I said Sedona.
Sedona.
Is that right? Okay.
And then we need to go to Northern California for work.
Oh, cool.
And then we're back home the middle of April. Well, back to our,
Right, well.
And then, I don't know what we're doing.
Oh. Well, have a safe trip, wherever y'all end up
We're
at.
gonna miss you guys.
We'll miss y'all too. I'm gonna need you to get out my seat, good girl. Alright, everybody is ready, and I'm ready to get on the road. Okay.
Onward Bound!
going east on 10. Actually, there is one more of our tribe members that is caravanning with us, but they left a little earlier because they're in a big fifth wheel. That's Sal and Sharon. So, yeah, they're headed to Phoenix with us too. Says hello from SNS and the RV Cats on YouTube. Hey y'all! So anyways, yeah, we've only been about, I'd say, 10-15 miles, so we still got quite a bit to go. The rest area that we're going to stop at is kind of our midpoint, actually over the midpoint. It was 87 miles away from where we were, so yeah, we've probably got about, I'd say, a little over 60 miles left. So yeah, we still have an hour on the road at least. The rest of them are up ahead of me. They're going kind of faster, so I'm just going to keep it slow and steady. And also, we're all stopping at the same spot, so it's all good. And Scott Terrier behind me. So yeah, all right, we're going to go ahead and continue on. I'm really excited to be back on the road. Well, we have made it to the rest area, so we are going to take a quick break. Probably like a 30-minute break or so. Not sure. I'm hungry. I think I need to fix me something to eat. Right, Moo-moo, are you hungry too? Yeah? You hungry? Oh, the ear's gone up. And I guess, give me some food. Alright, outside. You want this? Wait. Good girl. Okay, come on. You can eat it in there. Go ahead. I made a grilled sandwich. It is ham, turkey, smoked cheddar, and cucumber sandwich that's been grilled. I also whipped up some deviled eggs real quick. I just keep boiled eggs in the refrigerator. And then they're easy to just make the single serve deviled eggs. I love deviled eggs.
What you doing?
Eating a sandwich.
Oh, what are you having?
It's a ham, turkey, smoked cheddar, and cucumber sandwich,
Yum.
grilled.
Very yummy. I'll come over here and talk to you.
Okay.
Stopping after this?
Cabela's. It's only 50 miles from here.
We're going to Cabela's.
Right, 50 miles from here.
50 miles. All right. See you guys at Cabela's. We're doing Q&As and
Are you?
We're driving. Yeah. We're just rambling on and on. It felt like it would take us 10 minutes to get here because we've just been.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And I was like,
it wasn't. We were like, we get here. It's like, yeah. We were talking.
I'm gonna need you not to cuss. Wait, hold on.
Oh, I'm sorry, honey. I didn't know you were.
No, it's good.
Hello. We're back on the road again together.
I know, yay. Headed to Phoenix.
Phoenix bound.
Then Texas. I also wanted to talk about, since y'all didn't get to go to the Grand Canyon, you know that Carlsbad Caverns is just a short detour off if you want to go to Carlsbad Caverns to make up for the Grand Canyon, since you didn't get to go there.
Okay, that sounds fun.
You want to do that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is everybody else going to be cool with that?
Yeah, I already had told Dana that I was going to ask you, and she's like, that's cool with us.
Yeah, we're up for that, for sure. And
cool.
it's called Carlsbad Caverns. Okay.
And it's actually, it goes 1.5 miles in, and it's an awesome place to.
All right.
But it's dark, so make sure you bring flashlights.
Can we have your mighty flashlight?
I'll have both of those.
Aja has the mighty flashlight. We have the little beanie flashlight.
Yeah, I'll be bringing those too. So.
Okay. All right. Cool.
Sounds like a plan.
Okay. When you're ready
I'm just gonna finish eating and stuff.
Okay. So I think everybody's in their vehicles. So.
Okay, cool.
Alright. Bye.
Bye. Alright, well, so you basically heard the plan. Ooh, my scarf got caught up in there. Oh, no. Give me that. Okay. It was so dark. I was so dark. Alright, well, I'm gonna finish my food and then we'll get back on the road. See you in a little bit. Alright, we are getting back on the road. Like I said, we have 50 miles to go for our destination. I'm getting in the lead this time. Alright, let's see. And start GPS. Awesome. It says 50 miles, 45 minutes. Thanks, Beverly. So there's a couple things I want to do when I get to Phoenix. I want to go do some shopping. I might be interested in getting some new camera gear. Not to say that my camera gear is